Welcome you all in our next lecture on Google Classroom. So far, we have learned how to create Google Classroom, how to join Google Classroom, how we can use what is the use of this code, how we can change the theme, how we can post notification in under stream section, how we can communicate with our students, how we can create our classwork, how we can add the material to our classroom, how we can set up the assignment for our students, and how we can add more teachers and how we can add more students. Now in our today's session we will learn how to create quiz. So for creating quiz we have to click on this create button, and here we can see quiz option or quiz assignment. We'll click on quiz assignment and it will a new page on which we can see there is a blank quiz or a Google form which is available to us. Okay, now what the first step which we need to do is we have to name this assignment or name this quiz. So in this case I'll write quiz for midterm. Okay, and now I can add certain instructions like finish the quiz in 10 minutes. Okay, what we can do is we can either use this blank form or we can add our own source. Suppose if you have created your own Google form and you have stored it on Google Drive, you can use it. You can use it through link also. You can use a file which you have created in your desktop and you can upload this file, or you can attach your YouTube video in which you have asked the questions. Or suppose if you wanted to create your own documents with the help of Google Drive, you can use Google Documents, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Drawing, and Forms. Okay. Now what we'll do is we will use this blank form for the purpose of our quiz. Now the blank quiz is available to us, and now we will start editing our quiz. Okay, so I will first of all I'll name my quiz for midterm, and under descriptions please submit the quiz in 10 minutes. Okay, now we have to, before creating the questions, we have to learn certain options available to us in Google form. We can use this plus sign to create question. We can use this sign to import questions. Suppose if we have already prepared certain quiz for other classes, we can use our previous quiz and we can add this quiz, or we can take questions from this quiz and add into our new quiz. We can change the title and description. We can add the image to our quiz. We can add videos, and we can change the sections also. Okay, you can, here we can see that I have changed these. Now let's start with our first question. So for the purpose of this quiz, I have already prepared a certain set of questions which we can use for preparing our quiz. Okay, here is the set of questions, and let me just split my screen here. Now the first question which I have designed is, in which country was COVID-19 first reported? And we can add the options: America, another option it's Iran, third option it's Italy, and fourth option it's China. Okay, now since that I have created the questions, let me add another questions and then I'll give you the brief. Okay, now I wanted to add another question in these sections. In this section I'll add the question. Okay, what is COVID-19? Is it the name of a virus? Of the virus? Is it the name of the disease? Is it a place in China? Is it the name of a drug? Okay, and let me also add another question and then we will start. Which virus caused the disease COVID-19? Okay, yes. So first option is SARS-CoV, another is SARS-CoV-2. Let me just correct it. Yes. Is it MERS? Is it Nipah? Okay. Now done. Now let me just close this file. We have utilized it. Yep. Now we can see that here I have posted 3 different questions. Now let's just go to the first question. Okay, we have posted our question. We can choose certain number of options. Either we can make it a descriptive one by selecting short answer or the paragraph, or we can make it multiple choice questions. We can select checkbox also. If suppose certain, if there are more than one answer is right, we can opt for checkbox also. Okay, now since we have created the questions, we have to assign answers to this question also. So we will click on answer key. Okay, now the moment we will click on answer key, we have to assign certain point to this quiz. Suppose in this case I assign 1 marks. If you correct this answer, you will gain 1 marks. Okay, now in which country was the COVID-19 first reported? It was China, so I have clicked on China and it will be shown as a correct answer. Okay, and I can add answer feedback. Now what is add answer feedback? Suppose if someone gives incorrect answer, we can state China is the correct answer. And suppose if in case someone select the correct options, then we can say thank you, your thank you, your answer is correct, or keep it up, save it. Okay. now now we can move to another questions in the same way. What is COVID-19? Suppose in this case, so what is COVID-19? It is the name of a disease. Okay, so suppose, but I don't want these questions as a multiple choice questions. I can make it as short answers. Now student have to write this answer. Okay, and in answer key, what I can do is I can add correct answer. Is it a disease? Okay, I can add correct answer. Is it a disease? So I can add the answer that it is a COVID-19 is a disease. Okay, and we can add another correct answer. Type of SARS virus. Okay, we can add certain different answers. And we can also assign points. So 1 marks if student correct this answer, and again we can enter the feedback. Now in this case, which virus caused the disease COVID-19? Is it SARS-CoV-2, SARS-CoV, SARS-CoV-2, MERS and Nipah virus? And again in this case we can opt for, suppose I wanted to make it a checkbox question. So student can select SARS-CoV as well as CoV-2. Okay, and we can assign the answer key, add answer feedback. Wait for a minute. In case of answer key, I'll select SARS-CoV-2. Done.